Candeo highlights one of SV Bespoke's exceptional creations. Revealed at Design Miami, the Range Rover SV Candeo is a one-off build with solid gold badging that demonstrates what's possible from the SV Bespoke department. Debuting at Design Miami, the SV Bespoke department showcases their latest one-off creation, demonstrating the endless ability to customize your factory-ordered Range Rover to your heart's content, so long as the size of your wallet matches the expanse of your creativity. The SV Candeo, Latin for "to shine," exemplifies what's possible from Range Rover's Bespoke department. Hand-applied dual-tone fade paint evokes the Miami coastal skyline. Finished in satin pearl white with a sky blue satin upper section, the Range Rover SV Candeo's color scheme represents the white. Sandy beaches of the Floridian coast contrasted by clear blue skies above. It's a design choice that exhibits customers' abilities to tailor the paint scheme of their bespoke-ordered Range Rovers to match the environments they'll inhabit, thus allowing the SUV and its surroundings to emphasize each other harmoniously. Range Rover's SV Bespoke service offers clients the ability to commission their Range Rover built any way they'd like, going well above and beyond the factory available options, materials, and paint colors on standard, non-bespoke models. Overall, Range Rover SV Candeo provides a compelling example of the kinds of ideas SV Bespoke can bring to life. SV Bespoke offers a wide array of unique materials both inside and outside. Through the SV Bespoke department, it's possible to choose from a variety of unique materials for everything from interior veneers and seat upholstery to carpeting and exterior badging. The SV Candeo uses 18-karat solid gold for its exterior badging. Weighing in at 900 grams, the badging is 3D printed for maximum precision, and hand-fitted by a British jeweler with a polished outer edge and brushed face. Range Rover states that the gold material is recycled from 100% fully audited recycled sources, preserving natural resources. The unique badging adds a notable contrast to the front end of the SV Candeo, catching the light of the Floridian sun to add some extra flair to the flashy SUV. SV Bespoke adds some serious sense of occasion to its interior environments. Finished with a lively combination of Liberty Blue near aniline and Polino semi-aniline leather, the SV Candeo's interior matches the creative elements of its exterior style by evoking elements of sunshine through embroidered rays. The overall theme of the Floridian coastline extends to the SUV's interior environment as well. The geometric sundial repeat pattern uses 90,000 stitches per cushion to maximize precision, a key priority for the SV Bespoke department. The SV Candeo retains all the luxurious amenities of the factory-standard Range Rover SV, including SV Signature Suite 24-way adjustable massaging seats, a drink chiller compartment, and an electronically deployable club table that rises from the full-length center console. Natural dark wood veneers and white ceramic finishes on interior controls and the gear selector add even more unique details to the interior environment. SV Bespoke models still benefit from the Range Rover SV's updated mechanicals, Powered by a BMW-sourced, twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 with mild hybrid technology. The Range Rover SV Candeo benefits from 615 horsepower and a 162 mph top speed, paired with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This means that the super luxurious, full-size Range Rover SUV that weighs over 6,000 pounds can jaunt from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds on the regular wheelbase. The SV Candeo sits on forged 23-inch diamond-turned directional alloy wheels with pearl white inserts that match the lower exterior paint color, another example of what's possible from SV Bespoke. Everything from major design themes to the most minor details. Range Rover's SV Bespoke services are available on all Range Rover SV and autobiography models and include exclusive in-person or virtual commissioning. Pricing will vary depending on each unique commission, but standard, non-bespoke Range Rover autobiography regular wheelbase models start at $151,600. Final thoughts. Feel about the Range Rover SV Candeo's design theme. Does it do justice to the mesmerizing Miami coastline and exemplify an interesting example of what SV Bespoke is capable of? Or is it just a lazy attempt at creating a special Range Rover by adding some embroidery flourishes and derivative two-tone paint schemes? Let us know how you feel in the comments. We love hearing from you.